In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export content from Squarespace and import it into WordPress. We'll be moving your site content from one platform to the other in a clean, structured way using the built-in export and import tools. This process is especially useful if you want to bring over your pages, posts, and media references without manually recreating everything. Start by opening your Squarespace account dashboard in Chrome. Once you're inside the main administration area for your site, go to Settings, then Advanced, and then find the Import and Export section. From there, click Export and choose the WordPress compatible export option. This creates a standard text-based export format that WordPress can read. What this export does is package your core site content into a single file. That typically includes things like article entries, page content, content structure, and media link references. In other words, it prepares your Squarespace content in a format that can be transferred and interpreted by WordPress more easily. Once the export is generated, download the XML file and save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Keeping it in a clearly labeled folder is a good idea since you'll need to select that exact file in the next part of the process. Next, open a separate Chrome tab and log into the dashboard of your destination WordPress site. After you're inside the WordPress admin panel, go to Tools and then Import. This is where WordPress allows you to bring in content from other platforms. In the list of available import tools, locate the WordPress importer. Click Install Now, and once that finishes, click Run Importer. That opens the upload tool that will process the file you exported from Squarespace. Now click the File Selection button and choose the XML file you downloaded earlier from your computer. After selecting it, click Upload File and Import. WordPress will then ask you to assign the imported content to users on your destination site. Make sure the author mapping is set the way you want, since this determines who will own the imported posts and pages. Before submitting, check the option labeled Download and Import File Attachments. This is important because it tells WordPress to try to pull over the original image assets and related files